Easy money alert! Get paid $1.35 watching Google Ads. Welcome to Profitability Plus, your go-to channel for unlocking diverse avenues of online income. Today, we're diving into the world of making money by watching ads, and I've got some exciting platforms to share with you. If you're ready to get paid $1.35 watching a Google ad, stick around because you won't want to miss this. If you've ever thought about making money by watching ads, you're in the right place. Today, I've got the lowdown on 2 new money-making apps that pay you for every Google ad you watch. Let's jump into it. The first one on our radar is AdSlice. Simply put, it's a platform that pays you for browsing and watching ads on your Google Chrome browser. With a solid 4.5-star rating on Trustpilot, it's a trusted avenue for making money online. Here's the drill. Sign up, set up your Google browser, and start watching ads. Click on Sign Up, create your account, and you're good to go. The bonus? You only need 35 cents to withdraw your earnings, and you can do it via PayPal, Bitcoin, or various gift cards. But wait, there's more! AdSlice lets you maximize your earnings with some cool features. Install the Slice extension, adjust ad ranges, turn on the Slice search experiment for Bing ads, and add the Slice tab extension for even more opportunities to earn. Remember, AdSlice is available worldwide, so no matter where you are, you can start earning. Drop your country in the comments for future videos. Now, let's talk surveys. AdSlice introduces a new feature called Rewards, where you can choose from different surveys to earn additional slices. Filter by survey type, duration, and ratings to pick the ones that suit you best. Combine this with watching ads, and you're on the fast track to hitting the minimum withdrawal limit. And here's a pro tip. Use the crew option to invite friends. You get 1,000 slices when they've been active for 30 days, and your friend gets 100 slices for free. Share your invite link on Facebook groups or with friends for a win-win situation. Now, on to the second money-making gem. Timebox.com. A reputable platform with a 4.5-star rating on Trustpilot, it's a go-to earning money through microtasks. Sign up, log in, and you're ready to roll. In the Earn section, click on Content, select Ad Click, and start watching ads. Stay on the New tab for just 5 seconds, close it, and see your earnings grow. Timebox works worldwide, and the more ads you watch, the more you can earn. Combining AdSlice and Timebox, you can make an average of $1.35 per ad watched. Imagine easily earning over $100 by leveraging these 2 websites. That's a pretty sweet deal, right? Now, if the idea of watching ads isn't quite hitting the mark for you, or if you've tried the previously mentioned platforms and are looking for alternatives, I've got you covered. Let's explore a few other platforms that might align better with your preferences and expectations. One alternative worth considering is Cointiply, a rewards platform that brings a cryptocurrency twist to the table. Here, members can earn digital currency by playing games, watching videos, clicking ads, answering surveys, and more. Advertisers also have the option to run pay-to-click ads on the platform. Founded in 2018, Cointiply boasts a community of over 3 million members who have collectively received over $12 million. Now, compared to Timebox, you might find that Cointiply has its own set of pros and cons. While it may offer worse pay rates or less consistent earnings, it could be considered a safer option. The user experience may not be as polished, but the minimum payout amount is similar, and the platform claims to have faster payout speeds. Another player in the field is Idle Empire, a GPT rewards platform founded in 2015. Based in Germany, this platform caters heavily to those looking to earn game-based rewards and cryptocurrencies. Users can earn money by taking surveys, completing offers, watching videos, and more. Compared to Timebox, Idle Empire might offer a similar pay rate and earning consistency. It's considered a safe option with a user experience that matches up. The minimum payout amount is lower, and the platform boasts faster payout speeds. Last but not least, let's talk about Keep Rewarding, a veteran in the GPT space. Established in 2012 and based in London, England, Keep Rewarding allows members to earn money through surveys, offers, friend invitations, ad watching, and more. When measured against Timebox, Keep Rewarding might have its trade-offs. It could offer worse pay rates or less consistent earnings, but like the others, it's considered a safe choice. The user experience might not be top-notch and the minimum payout amount is lower. However, Keep Rewarding maintains similar payout speeds. Now that we've explored these money-making opportunities, let's pivot our focus to something equally important: your safety and privacy while engaging in online activities. It's crucial to approach these platforms with a vigilant mindset and take proactive steps to safeguard your personal information. First and foremost, always prioritize the legitimacy of the platforms you're interacting with. Research user reviews, check ratings, and verify the authenticity of the website or app. Scams can often masquerade as lucrative opportunities, so staying informed is your first line of defense. When signing up for these platforms, be mindful of the information you share. Reputable platforms typically require minimal personal details, and it's essential to be cautious about disclosing sensitive information. Your privacy should remain a top priority. As you explore various opportunities, consider the potential risks and benefits. While these platforms can provide additional income, it's equally important to assess the time commitment and ensure that the tasks align with your expectations. Moreover, be aware of the geographical variations in earnings. Some platforms offer different payouts based on your location, so set realistic expectations about the potential income in your region. Always stay informed about the platform's policies and any changes that may occur. Platforms can evolve, affecting the way you earn or withdraw money. Regularly checking for updates and staying in the loop can help you navigate any alterations smoothly. Implement necessary security measures to protect your account. Strong passwords, two-factor authentication, and other security features can safeguard your personal information and earnings. Remember, while these opportunities are enticing, it's crucial to strike a balance. Relying solely on these platforms for income may not be sustainable. Consider them as supplementary income and explore a diversified approach to ensure financial stability. If you found value in the insights we shared and want to stay updated on the latest opportunities, make sure to subscribe to Profitability Plus. By subscribing, you not only join a community of like-minded individuals seeking financial growth, but also receive regular updates, tips, and exclusive content to maximize your earning potential. Don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button now and become part of the Profitability Plus community today.